When someone is always in your mind without any communication, it means there's something deeper going on inside you. Your heart and your brain are both trying to tell you a story. Past memories. Sometimes it's simply your past. That person is connected to a strong memory, beautiful or painful, and your brain keeps replaying it again and again. Emotional impact. Second, emotions. If someone once touched your heart deeply, the impact is so strong that even without communication, they stay alive in your mind. Unfinished story. Third, an unfinished story. When relationships or conversations don't get closure, the mind keeps searching for answers, and that person keeps coming back in your thoughts. Subconscious connection. Fourth, the subconscious. Even when you don't think about them consciously, your subconscious carries them because they are linked to your comfort, your feelings, or your hidden desires. Dopamine effect. And fifth, the dopamine effect. Science says, when someone makes you feel happiness or peace, your brain releases dopamine. That memory becomes addictive, and even without communication, your brain craves their presence. Deeper meaning. So what does it all mean? When someone is in your mind without reason, it's not always about them, it's about you. It's your heart reminding you what matters most, your mind teaching you lessons you didn't fully learn, your soul showing you the power of human connection. Sometimes that person is not just a memory, but a mirror of your own feelings, your own unfinished story, your own need for love or closure. Conclusion, call to action. So next time someone keeps appearing in your thoughts, don't just brush it off. Ask yourself, why? Is it love? Is it pain? Is it a lesson? Because thoughts are never random. They're messages that your heart, your mind, and your soul want you to finally hear. So if someone is always in your mind, maybe it's not just coincidence. Maybe it's a message your heart is trying to send. Listen to it. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in the next video.